Okay, I lied a little bit. In the previous video, I was going to make it so we could transfer the items, but first I just realized something that I'm probably going to forget later on. But if we view, oops, sorry, let me press E on the shop, and as you can see, we can view the shop's inventory over here. I close it, I go over here and I press I. We can still see it. So basically when we hit close, I want it to clear this inventory. And then same thing, when we open it, normally I want to also clear the inventory really before we do anything. So that'll probably simplify the code a little bit. But for starters, let's go ahead and go to our event graph, go to our, I'm in the wrong, there we go. There's shop inventory. I was in the wrong section. When we close it, before we actually close, I want you to grab the shop inventory and call clear items. And that will take care of pretty much the beginning issue that I pointed out. That'll take care of that. Next up, just to be safe, when we open the inventory, so when we switch to this, let's go to our I'm being completely blind. Item. No, I do not have it open. That's why. Go to our UI. Go to the inventory function. When we go to open it, I want to grab the inventory and call clear shop UI or clear shop inventory just to be safe that we know that it's gone. So what we're going to do is when we go through and do all that fun stuff, let's grab our inventory and let's type in, well, a function we need to make. So let's go ahead and create a new function, call it clear shop inventory. All that does is grabs the shop inventory and types clear and calls clear items. Simple as that. So now that we have that, we can actually go to our event graph and simply call clear shop inventory to clean that up a bit. Okay. So we now have that functionality. Let's go to our UI and let's call clear shop inventory. So now we press play, we view the shop's inventory. We have all the items over here. I close it, press I again. It's gone. Go back over here, press E on the inventory guy or the shop, and they're back. So that's just so we have them cleared out of the way. We don't have to really worry about them. But anyhow, that is going to be all for this video. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to join my Discord that's down in the description below, and I'll try to help you out. As well as if you check out my Patreon that's linked down below as well, you can find a Team Deathmatch series just for Patrons, as well as you also will get early access to all my videos by joining for simply just $1. The Team Deathmatch series costs $10 or more, and you'll get access to that. And I really screwed up this outro, but I really don't care because it's getting late, and I am my own boss right now, so no one can fire me except for myself, which I may do eventually. Anyhow, see you in the next one.